she gon' shake it for them blue hunters. Take her home, she gon' do something. She gon' shake it for them blue hunters.
Alright you guys, so as you can see from the title, oh my, we're gonna be doing unboxing. So I had ordered a ring light like not too long ago. I think I put express shipping or today's shipping, something like that. I will have it linked in the description box down below if you guys want to go check it out so you can get one for yourself. I am so happy that I finally got one. I feel like everybody on YouTube has one besides me. Oh wait, hold up. Where are my manners? Where are my effing manners? What's up, Karen Gang? Karen family. I am back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my ring light, which I came in today. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. There'll be Instagram box down below. Don't forget to comment KAREGANG to get a shot in my next video. Just video shot. That's this right here. So yeah, if you guys want to be a shot in my next video, don't forget to comment KAREGANG. So let's get into the video. That was like a lot. Some janky scissors that we about to open this up with. And so this one, it doesn't come with a carrying case, because that's even more money. The ring light is 18 inches, because baby girl, big boy, we just have to do that. You guys can see. I need to lay this out because the next piece is like pretty big.
Young Desert.
Come on, man. Whew. Yeah. Okay. So this is ring light, if it's not too obvious already. And this I'm pretty sure, probably like the tripod. So this is easier to open.
Okay, so here's like a whole bunch of things. I'm basically gonna have to set. Here is like the warm setting. Yes, I know about that. This is oh, to plug it in and stuff. The tripod, like keep your phone on there. And a remote. I'm pretty sure there were white ones, but let's go assemble this stand.
Young Desert.
Basically, as you guys can tell, I came with yellow things and I was like, where are the white ones? And they're already on here. And then I had saw this little piece and I was like, did they break my itch? Like, you know, what's popping type stuff. But no, it goes for this little piece right here. So that's where we're at. Everything is pretty self-explanatory. And that's on what? That's on period. I didn't even use instructions. Cat. I did. I used instructions for this part. They don't really go in detail, but we're gonna put y'all over here because the lighting over there, I'm sorry I did y'all like that. I had this, I could record anywhere. Okay. Okay, period. Now let's see this. T-plug. With no plug. Maybe take out the lamp. Cause usually for my old videos, I use a lamp. This is just huge. Put y'all in here. So this is the lighting before. Oh, my closet's. No. This is how we look, you know, before. This is with no lighting, nothing at all. This is with the lowest setting is this. I feel like I don't have to put it on like this bright. I could like leave it right here. And I feel like this, I like how it just like makes your eye look so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is how I look like with my glasses. This is annoying though. So you guys, this is the ring light. This is how it looks. It's pretty nice. It has these like, hold up, this warm setting. I'm not really gonna put it on because that'll take a process. But like, if you just like see like a little washed out, a little warm. Actually looks nice actually. Also came with a clicker that you could like Bluetooth it with your phone. You could have a Bluetooth and you could take pictures, you could start recording, like a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, it's really nice. I freaking like it. YouTube videos are about to be so fun. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Links to this will be in the description box. This video is like so like quick, last minute type video, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it, you know what I'm saying? And this is like, I guess, so up close and like personal. Like look at like, say like, well, I have mascara from sleeping, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm about to go binge watch some 13 Reasons Why real quick, and then I'm about to see you guys in the flip. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, liking my videos, making me being able to have this. Like y'all, this came from y'all. Like no cap, this came from y'all. Don't forget to follow all my social media. The description box down below. Don't forget to comment #KAREGANG to get shot in my next video. Now let's say barber. Start off week every week with the kitchen. Get your pass. Get your way. So we got into about verse. Peace together. Ah, oh, a, ooh, I forgot. Who is she? She cute. Cute like ah. Okay, whatever.
Young Dezo. Young Dezo.